Sukhodol plant for special heavy machine building manufactures large-sized steel components with complex forms. The plant is intended for manufacturing pressings of a weight between 600 kilograms and 20 tons from forging component and flats. Production will be for various industries: armature engineering, apparatus building, power industry, oil and gas production and shipbuilding. In fact, any industry that requires large, heavy pressings or components. Loading bridges for heavy operations are equipped with weight monitoring systems for the load and are used for transportation. Delivered steel sheeting is first passed through the ultrasonic acceptance process, which determines the integrity of the sheet. After the control checks, the sheets head toward the cutting stations. Gas cutters from some of the world's leading manufacturers are used to cut metals up to 200 millimeters in thickness. The cut components are then sent for processing on a horizontal boring mill, accurate to within 0.05 millimeters. The special milling head means that items of complex form and shape can be easily machined. The components then progress to the rolling and bending machines. A cold bend has a maximum of 170 millimeters. A hot bend can increase that to 250 millimeters. Component welding is a key part of the process. State-of-the-art submerged welding sets are able to internally weld pipes with a diameter as small as 700 millimeters, whilst exterior welds are delivered with an extremely narrow torch, capable of reaching the smallest gaps and producing the smallest welds. Built-in cameras and tracking systems provide continuous feedback to control the positions of the welding heads, whilst built-in software means that the process can be recorded and automated. Once welded, the seams are then put through another quality procedure: digital radiography. Components are then sent for turning and boring on the large lathes. They measure 2.5 meters high, 3.5 meters diameter, and weigh approximately 25 tons. The lathe can produce such shapes as spherical and conical, all to within 0.05 millimeters. Heat treating of the components takes place in the modern furnaces, capable of generating heat in excess of 1,300 degrees Celsius. The furnaces are controllable to within a degree using equipment which exceeds the API 6A American standard. Once heated, the components are then transported to the hydraulic press. The press can deliver a force of 140 meganewtons and has a working area of 5 by 5 by 6 meters. With a stroke speed of 85 millimeters per second, the press is used for die and sheet forging and stamping. The speed allows for 3 stamps per 1 heat cycle of the component. The modern processing plant has passed all ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 standards, leading to an excellent safety record and quality control systems, able to process 40,000 tons per annum. The forging technology has been modeled using an FEA, finite element analysis program called Q-Form. Using Siemens NX and Solid Edge for design, the components are modeled first. This means that everything is worked out before a machine has even moved, leaving all dimensions, tolerances and processes as accurate as they can be. Team Center from Siemens controls all the data, from initial drawings and life cycles right through to the manufacturing process. Sukhodol plant for special heavy machine building provides a full range of solutions and architecture in the field of metalworking and forging. A leader in development, innovation and manufacturing, Sukhodol plant, Spectiasmash, is a reliable partner in solving the most technical of challenges.